I'm very excited about this smoothie recipe, guys. So let's get started with the ingredients. So we have coconut water. We have frozen mango. You are welcome to use fresh mango if you like. I have triple berry blend here. I have red beet powder. I have ground flax seed. And I have fresh ginger. I'm also going to be using some peppermint in mine, but that's optional. That's just my preference. I like peppermint or mint in my smoothies for the most time. So let's get blending. First, I'm adding about 8 ounces of the coconut water here. I'm adding my ginger. I add in my mango and my berries. Look how beautiful that is. Everything is frozen. One tablespoon of the red beet powder. And 1 tablespoon of my ground flax seed. And my peppermint. So while we're blending, guys, I'm also going to be breaking down this recipe as far as health benefit. So please stay with me. I will let you know what each ingredients are good for in your body. All right. That's why I decided to bring this recipe to you. And while I am blending this smoothie right now, right here, I decided I need a little bit more coconut water. So I added about another 3 ounces of coconut water. So now it's going to be able to blend everything together. But like I was saying, while we're blending, don't forget to hit that like button for me, guys. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and subscribe. Like I said, I'm going to be bringing a lot of international foods and drinks and a lot of vegans and healthy recipes. So don't forget to subscribe. So now I'm going to start breaking this recipe down for you. So look at that rich color. That is your red beet and of course your berries. But red beet powder, what it does, it helps improve your blood flow. It's good on potassium, iron, vitamin C, and very important right now, guys, it helps build your immune system. We need that right now, right? The flax seed, it helps with omega-3, fiber, it helps with cholesterol. The ginger helps with inflammation, arthritis, blood circulation, and so on. And if you have problems like me with electrolytes dying off your body and you play a lot of sports, the coconut water keeps you hydrated. It gives you potassium and it keeps the electrolytes going, guys. So I hope you give this recipe a try. And please, guys, share this recipe with others, especially your elder people in your family. We all need a boost of health right now. So this is why I am sharing this recipe with you today. I appreciate you stopping by. And again, if you have not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. And I will see you on the next recipe. Have a wonderful day.